All right, the latest news break coming in. The CBI has maintained that they are not ruling out homicide angle just yet, and they are investigating on both homicide and abetment to suicide. CBI sources have told us that large parts of the probe are still underway. The big news break in this is the fact that both angles still being investigated, homicide not ruled out. For more information, I want to cut across to my colleague Saurav Vakhtania. Saurav, can you get us more details?
Well, the CBI is not going to leave any stone unturned because they are investigating the case in the whole angles, all the possible angles, because the allegations which the Sushant Singh Rajput family has made is very simple. Leaving aside the Mumbai police investigation, which only was going towards the nepotism, and also they believe that that it is a clear case of suicide. As far as the family of Sushant Singh Rajput is concerned, they have made a huge allegations yesterday as well after the India Today exclusive interview of Diya Chakrabarti. They claimed that there was some sort of substance which Sushant Singh Rajput was given and which he was not aware about, and this may be the reason why he may have died. Now, therefore, the CBI is investigating in all possible angles. Therefore, the people who are very closely associated with Sushant Singh Rajput, each and everyone are being grilled regularly. Not just Siddharth Pithani, but from Cook, Neeraj, Keshav, the former managers, and each and everyone. The marathon questioning is right now going on. As far as this particular substance is concerned, Preeti, I just spoke to the FSL officers of Mumbai who have actually submitted their report to the Mumbai police. The same report has been submitted to CBI. Also on the Viscera note, they have said that everything is negative. I would like to stress on this word negative because this means that in the Viscera of Sushant Singh Rajput, there was no foul play found. There was no drug found. So this is the report which the Kalina FSL have submitted to the investigating agency. The 20% of this particular viscera is still preserved with the FSL. Now the forensic expert team of the AIIMS is in Mumbai. They are going to investigate, they are going to go through all this particular FSL report. Now what they are going to do is, if they are not convinced with this particular report, the 20% which is still left with the FSL, they will analyze those particular viscera report. Now, once that is done, because you know, Preeti, they had to submit their report by today afternoon, but they have told CBI that they need some more time. They are given the time that on Monday they will give their report to the CBI. So, lot many angles are right now coming in, but we saw Riya was very much confident. She says she has all the proof. There is no wrongdoing. I have not taken any drugs. Meanwhile, at the other side, the person whose name is coming in, Gaurav Arya, he's been summoned by ED officials. He has to be present before the 31st of this month. So, the investigating agency, there are the three investigating agencies, CBI, ED, and the NCB. All are working closely together and investigating in all possible angles that what could have led to the death of Sushant Singh Rajput.
All right, appreciate you joining us.